Today we're going to talk about MLA citation and format style. Writing Center tutors can help you with brainstorming, outlining, thesis and topic sentences, tone and style, grammar and punctuation, all the way up to citations and references, which is what we'll be working on today. Now, what is MLA? MLA stands for Modern Language Association. It's used in the humanities disciplines by people who study language, literature, culture, and more. These people write research and analysis, and they need to reference each other's work. MLA is the system they use for citing and referencing each other. So why should you cite with MLA? Through college-level writing, you are participating in this type of communication. If you follow the familiar and accepted methods of citing, you show that you belong and that what you have to say is legitimate. It also avoids confusion or distraction from a free-for-all in citing and formatting. And of course, citing is important simply because everyone appreciates being credited for their hard work. MLA regulates 3 main areas, all of which we're going to be learning today: paper formatting, in-text citations, and the works cited page. This presentation was created with the help of the website Purdue OWL, Purdue University's online writing lab. This is a highly reliable and easy to understand site that I recommend using to help you with citing your sources. You should also be aware of Valencia College's citation guides. Valencia College's library provides guides to citing in MLA, APA, and Chicago. In addition, video instructions are available. Click Next in the Canvas module to see a list of these resources that we've discussed so far. It's a good idea to bookmark them.